Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to delete your Discord account on PC after the recent update, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Discord app on your computer. If you don't have it installed, make sure to download it from the official Discord website. Once you're in, you'll see your home screen with all your servers. Next, look for the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon represents user settings. Go ahead and click on it to access your account settings. Now, in the settings menu, you'll find various options on the left side. Click on My Account. This is where you can manage all your account details and preferences. Once you're in the My Account section, scroll down until you see the option to disable account. Click on that. Discord will prompt you to enter your password to confirm this action. Type in your password to proceed. Finally, after entering your password, you will see a button that says Disable Account. Click on it, and your account will be disabled. It's important to note that disabling your account is a temporary action. You can reactivate it later by simply logging back in, and there you have it. You've successfully disabled your Discord account on PC following the latest update. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.